Anytime.
When setting the snap trap and the leg hold trap, you want to look at this entrance hole here and notice where it's worn and he's come out with a runway like this. This is the area where then you want to set the trap. So you want to excavate this area just deep enough so that you can set this trap so that it's level with the ground, not above it and not below it. And then simply push dirt in around it so that it's got a solid base and nothing interferes with the trigger mechanism, and you're all set to go. This trap can or cannot be baited. It's a little more effective and safe for not capturing birds and other unwanted pests or pets if you cover this with some cardboard in a box-like configuration to keep things from getting on the pan. Now, you use the same technique for the leg hold trap. You excavate the area, and with the leg hold trap then, this one has already been set, you'll go on ahead and place the trap again so that it's level with the surface. Now in this case we're going to have to put a little bit of dirt back in there in the bottom so it's got a good firm base, and you set the trap in like so. Now, to prevent any of the dirt from falling on the pan, what you need to do is to insert just a simple piece of wax paper here over the pan and under the jaws. Now, you would have a stake on this, you would stake this back here, and then you'd take your little device here, this device, and you would, well, if it wasn't quite so clay,
With that dirt.
Okay.
Anytime.
Once the trap has been set and you've got your pan of dirt here, you want to just gently sift that over the top so that it's going to cover up that trap completely and not look unnatural at all. I'm going to have to cut away and get some more